Greetings. Today I'm here to talk about the ITMS service portal. ITMS is Intelligent Transport Monitoring System. So this service portal is going to help all the dealers. Here I mean the car dealers and the motorcycle dealers. It is going to help them to follow up their applications, to do the booking, to check their invoices, and also follow up their orders. How do you access the ITMS service portal? Well, you must be a registered and verified dealer from the Ministry of Works and Transport. So we get all the verified accounts and we will send you an activation link. Once you press the activation account, you will be directed to activate your personal account as a dealer. So it will request you to put in the email address for the business, you put in the name for the business, you put in the password. Of course, you need to put in a strong password, then you verify the password and your account. Once you've successfully logged in into the ITMS service portal, this is what you're going to be able to see. But our major focus is going to be on services. And when you click on the services button, you'll be able to see the single orders, then you see the bulk orders, number plate replacement, and account activation. As a dealer, you have an option to either choose single or bulk orders. But once you press on the bulk orders, this is where you're going to order for number plates that are above 1. But if you tap on the single order, you are going to choose only 1 number plate. So when you press on the bulk order, it is going to bring you this information. First of all, it will request you to put in the entry number. You put in the entry number that you received. Then it is going to request for the packaging list. You have the packaging list that you received from the URA. You put the packaging list. It will request you to put in the number of the vehicles or the number of the motorcycles that are in the packaging list. Let's say 50, you insert 50. Then after inserting 50, we are going to have categories. We have a category for ordinary, we have category for private and mixed. So you as a dealer, you know which category you are applying for. So you choose the category, maybe let's say private. You click on private. After clicking on private, you submit. Once you press the single order, it is going to request you to fill in this data. It is going to request you to put in the application reference number. And here on the application reference number, you put in the MVR number. This MVR number is the number that is tagged on the motorcycle or the vehicle that you're going to apply for. It is given to you by the Ministry of Works. So you put in the MVR number. After putting in the MVR number, it is going to request you to put in the vehicle, the chassis number for the vehicle, or the VIN number. So you put in the VIN number for the vehicle. After putting in the VIN number, now it is up to you as a dealer, because you know what you're applying for, either private, public, or mixed. So you can choose private. So you choose private, you click on private, then it will of course, since it is a single order, it is not going to ask for numbers. Then you submit. Once you've submitted in your application, now you will need to navigate through the system. You need to press on My Accounts button. When you press on My Accounts button, here you're going to see your sales orders. It is going to show you the connectivity, and it will show you the invoices button. When you press the sales order button, here you're going to see all the sales orders that you've paid for in that order. You could choose to select them by date. You can select them by time, so you can see all the sales orders that you've made. Then on this other button of the invoices, it shows the invoices that you've already paid for. Then in case of any challenges with your account, you can press on the connectivity account. It will give you directions on how to reactivate your account in case you forget your password. In case you as a dealer, you've made payments and it is an EFT, there you can scroll down. It will give you an option of sending us the proof of payment. You can attach the proof of payment, indicate the sales order that you've made, then as well send us an email for what you want and you submit. Thank you for joining ITMS, Intelligent Transport Monitoring System, making your roads a safe space.
Making roads a safe